step into the embrace of the land that stole my heart. Welcome to the enchanting haven I proudly call home. Welcome to Uganda. A land where nature's wonders come to life and beauty is nurtured at every turn. In every petal's delicate curve, in every drop of morning dew, you'll find a symphony of life unfolding in vibrant colors. Our national parks are a sanctuary for the wild, where animals roam freely in their natural habitats. A testament to our commitment to preserving the Earth's most precious treasures. But it's not just the landscapes that make Uganda special. It's the people who call this land home. Experience the rich tapestry of cultures that have thrived here for generations. For the adventurers at heart, Uganda offers a playground of excitement. Conquer towering peaks, paddle through pristine waters, and uncover hidden trails that lead to breathtaking vistas. And let's not forget our flavors. Indulge in the authentic tastes of Uganda, a fusion of spices, flavors, and traditions that will delight your senses. So, whether you seek the thrill of adventure, the serenity of nature, or the warmth of a welcoming community, come and experience Uganda, where nature and beauty are nurtured. Waiting to embrace you. Visit Uganda, where every moment is a masterpiece and every experience is a treasure to be cherished.